The iPhone 17 Pro Max already has one of the most powerful smartphone cameras on the market, but if you want to take your shots from casual to cinematic, you'll need the right tools. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best camera accessories that can transform your iPhone into a true filmmaking machine. From pro-level stabilization and lens kits to must-have lighting and audio gear, these accessories will help you capture smooth, sharp, and cinematic content whether you're vlogging, shooting travel films, or creating social media videos. Let's dive in and see how you can shoot like a film. SmallRig X Brandon Lee Mobile Video Kit 522 is built to convert your iPhone 16 Pro into a bona fide mobile cinematography setup by offering a lightweight cage, quick-release dual handles, and a magnetic 67mm variable ND-VND filter system, all while maintaining access to MagSafe and phone usability. Its purpose is to let creators shoot more stably, more flexibly, and more cinematically without having to assemble many separate parts. The kit includes a film-off phone case with lens trim ring, a dedicated metal cage, rotatable wireless quick-release handles which can be removed or repositioned in under a second, a rotatable side handle, a capture grip, a TPU soft frame, a 67mm magnetic VND filter adapter, and the 1.9-stop magnetic VND filter itself. The cage is open and hollowed so that buttons, ports, radar, ultra-wide lens, and MagSafe charging remain unobstructed, and the phone case has embedded N52 magnets to support MagSafe accessories and charge alignment. In use, creators report that the rig feels robust yet manageable. The handle system provides stable dual-handed support, the quick-release mechanism allows fast reconfiguration for vertical or horizontal shooting, and the magnetic VND filter gives smooth exposure control during transitions, e.g. daylight to shade. However, some reviewers caution that misalignment of the magnetic filter may produce vignetting or internal reflections, especially at wide angles or certain tilt angles, which is a known limitation in similar designs. Others warn that unless both the MagSafe magnet side and edge clamps are used, the phone may wobble or be less secure. The build is high quality, metal cage, precise machining, reliable hinge and release mechanisms, and multiple mounting threads, 1/4-20, and cold shoes make accessory expansion flexible. In comparison to simpler rigs without filter or quick handles, this kit stands out by bundling the magnetic VND system and offering handle flexibility. Compared to rigs from other brands, it is more integrated but with more complexities where tolerance and alignment matter. Value is on the premium side, yet for creators who will use the VND feature, handle system, and cage expansion, it gives strong all-in-one functionality. Overall, for mobile filmmakers, vloggers, or creators seeking to get the most out of their iPhone with cinematic control, this kit is highly recommended. Casual users or those who won't utilize the VND/filter features may find it overkill. Pros: integrated magnetic 67 VMD filter with adapter simplifies exposure control. Dual quick-release rotatable handles and side handle enhance stability and flexibility. Cage maintains access to buttons, ports, ultra-wide-side lens, and supports MagSafe. Robust build with many 1/4-20 threads and cold shoe mounts for accessories. Fast switching between vertical and horizontal orientations with release mechanism. Cons: risk of vignetting or internal reflection if filter is misaligned or at wide angles. Slight wobble if only one mounting method, magnet or clamp, is used. Added weight and bulk from cage, handles, and filter system. Complexity means more parts to assemble, align, and maintain. Premium cost compared to more basic phone rigs. On number 2 is Hohem iSteady M7, is a high-end smartphone gimbal designed for creators who want pro-level stabilization, AI-powered tracking, and lots of control when shooting video. Its purpose is to make handheld and solo filming much easier, especially for larger or heavier phones, or phones with accessories/cases, and provide features that go beyond simpler, lighter gimbals. Among its key features are a powerful iSteady 9 stabilization algorithm, a 3-axis design allowing 360 dg infinite pan, a wide tilt range, around 50 dg to plus 275 dg, and full roll control. It supports phones up to about 500 G payload and phone widths from ~5890 mm, with thicknesses up to ~12.5 mm. For more space by distance alert, FIOM, it also includes a detached touchscreen remote, 1.4-inch, that can preview what the phone sees, select tracking targets and control functions from up to 10 meters away. The gimbal also has an AI tracker module that functions independently, i.e., you don't always need to use the phone app, which doubles as a magnetic fill light with RGB and CCT lighting, 2W, giving both subject tracking and lighting from the same device. An extendable pole, built in 193M, helps capture high or low angles. Battery capacity is 3,200 mAh, with claims of up to 12 hours of balanced idle usage, 8 hours when AI tracking is active, and 3-4 hours if both AI tracking and fill lights are used. The build quality is solid, lots of metal parts, secure clamps, axis locks for transport, hard carry case included, though it is heavier and bulkier than many of the more portable gimbals. In real-life performance, the gimbal delivers very smooth footage in walking, panning, and even fairly fast motion with minimal jitter. The tracking generally works well, especially under good lighting, and when the subject is clearly defined. The remote module's preview is useful. The fill light helps in medium-low light, but it isn't super bright, so in very dark scenes you may still need additional lighting. Users do report that the AI tracking can misbehave in complex or cluttered backgrounds, sometimes over-rotating or losing the target temporarily. Also, its weight and size mean that handheld for long stretches can be fatiguing, and setup/balancing takes a bit of effort. Compared to its predecessor, e.g., the Hohem M6, the M7 adds the detachable touchscreen remote, higher payload, improved tracking, and better build. These competitor models, for example, Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI, Insta360 Flow Series, DJI Osmo Mobile, the M7 trades off more portability for more power and more control. If you want something light you'll carry everywhere, those may win. If you want maximum capability and flexibility, M7 often comes out ahead. As for value, the price is definitely in the premium range, but given what you get, the remote, AI tracker plus light, strong motors, solid battery life, it is competitive among premium smartphone gimbals. If you will frequently use the tracking, lighting, and heavier phone/accessories, it offers strong bang for buck. If your use is more casual, short clips, good lighting, lighter phones, you might get much of what you need from less expensive options. Overall, for content creators, vloggers, solo shooters, or mobile filmmakers who demand strong stabilization, subject tracking, and lighting in one rig, the iSteady M7 is highly recommendable. If you're mostly shooting casually or need something ultralight/compact, then maybe go for a simpler gimbal. But if the M7's weight and size are acceptable, it delivers excellent performance. Pros. Strong stabilization, iSteady 9, handles heavy payloads up to 500G well. Detachable 1.4-inch touchscreen remote with live preview and target selection up to 10M. AI tracker module doubles as a magnetic fill light with RGB and CCT control. Long battery life in balanced mode, TD 12 hours, plus reverse charging capability. Robust build, useful extra features, extension pole, multiple expansion ports, axis locks, good tilt/pan ranges. Cons. Bulky and heavy, less convenient for travel or long handheld sessions. AI tracking not always perfect, especially in cluttered scenes/low light, occasional mistracking. Fill light brightness is moderate, may not suffice in very dark shooting conditions. Setup and balancing takes time, steep learning curve for using all advanced modes effectively. Price is high, simpler gimbals, size and weight may dissuade casual users. On number 3 is Xenvo Kit, is intended to augment your smartphone's built-in camera by providing optical lenses, macro and wide angle, plus a clip-on LED light so that you can explore close-ups, wide scenes, and better low-light shots without needing a separate camera. The main components are a 0.45x wide-angle lens, TrueView, a 15x macro lens, Claris, a glow clip rechargeable LED light, 3 brightness modes, a sturdy clip adapter True Grip to mount lenses over your phone's camera, protective lens caps, a microfiber cloth, a travel case, and a lanyard. In terms of build and quality, the lenses are made from multi-element coated optical glass housed in aluminum construction, which helps reduce flares, ghosting, and distortion. The lens clip is firm but flexible, which helps align the lens over the smartphone's camera without scratching. The LED light is compact, clips onto the phone or the clip and provides a warm fill light to improve shadowed scenes. Performance in real life is solid for this class of lens kit. The wide-angle lens lets you capture more in your frame, landscapes, group shots, with minimal distortion, though minor smudging or softness near extreme edges is noted, and the macro lens can focus very closely within ~1/2 inch to capture fine detail, though with a very shallow depth of field, meaning only a narrow plane is sharp. The LED fill light is helpful in low light or shadowed environments, though it is not extremely powerful. Its effective range is modest. In everyday use, switching between lenses is easy. Unscrew wide lens to use macro, and the case keeps all components organized. However, the kit only includes the 2 lenses, no telephoto or fisheye, and some edge softness or vignetting might appear in certain phone plus case combinations. Tom's Guide found that while the kit costs more than basic lens sets, the LED and accessory bundle make it worthwhile. Compared to more premium lens systems, for instance Moment or Sandmark, this kit won't match them in optical perfection, bokeh control, or advanced lens options like anamorphic or telephoto, but for its price range it offers a strong balance of portability, ease of use, and quality. The fact that it comes with LED lighting and a hard travel case differentiates it from many cheaper kits that only include lenses. Overall, this lens kit is well suited for casual photographers, content creators, travelers, or hobbyists who want to experiment with macro and wide photography using their smartphone without investing in heavy gear. If you're seeking top-tier optical performance or advanced lens types, you might consider higher-end alternatives. But for most users, this kit offers excellent value, versatility, and fun in a compact package. Pros: includes both macro and wide-angle lenses in one kit. Clip-on rechargeable LED light with adjustable brightness. Good optical quality for its class. Multi-element coated glass, minimal distortion. Compact, well-organized travel case with protective caps and accessories. Easy to mount/unmount via True Grip clip. Cons: only 2 lens types, no telephoto, fisheye, etc. Shallow depth of field in macro mode. Focus is very narrow. Headlight is not extremely powerful, limited effective range. Some softness or edge distortion in specific phone plus case combinations. More premium lens kits will outperform it in sharpness, contrast, and variety. On number 4 is Boya Mini is a remarkably compact wireless lavalier mic kit aimed at content creators, vloggers, podcasters, and anyone needing discreet, portable audio capture. Its core purpose is to deliver clean speech audio to your phone or USB-C/compatible device without the bulk of full wireless rigs. If we literally meant discreet, the Mini is an enroyal, so consider it. Its key features include ultralight transmitters, each weighs just ~5G, a USB-C plug-in receiver with variants for Lightning also available, 3 levels of AI noise reduction, a built-in voice changer mode, and a charging case that allows up to ~30 hours of total runtime, 6 hours per mic, plus recharge from the case per its specifications. In terms of build and design, the transmitters are tiny, discreet, and clip onto clothing. The receiver is equally minimal, plugging directly into the device's port, so no dangling cables. The magnetic case/charging box is pocketable and doubles as a battery bank for the mics. Real-life performance shows both strengths and limitations. The Boya Mini often delivers surprisingly clean, intelligible audio in vlogging or interview setups, with stable wireless transmission over moderate distances, and very little dropout in test environments. The AI noise reduction helps in quieter indoor settings, though it can muffle some high frequencies if pushed too aggressively. The simple, Voice changer. Gimmick is fun for social media but may be more distracting than useful in serious recording settings. One downside is that audio is mono only, no stereo, and there is no manual gain control or level metering, which restricts flexibility for advanced users. Also, the build quality, especially the mic clip, feels plasticky and delicate. Pros: extremely compact and lightweight, transmitters ~5G, receiver is very small. Charging/storage case supplies extra battery and protects the units. AI noise reduction, 3 levels, helps in moderate ambient noise. Simple plug-and-play setup with minimal configuration needed. Excellent value relative to its size and functionality in its price range. Cons: mono audio only, no stereo recording capability. No manual gain control or level metering, limiting flexibility. Build materials, clip, housing feel less robust, possible durability concerns. AI voice changer is more gimmick than practical feature for serious work. In very noisy or challenging environments, noise reduction may negatively affect clarity of higher frequencies. On number 5 is WSKEN lens protector is intended to shield the iPhone's multi-camera array, the exposed lens/hood area, from scratches, cracks, and impact while preserving optical clarity and compatibility with existing cases. Its design combines a metal-aluminum alloy frame, in this case an orange titanium finish, with a tempered glass or sapphire/9H hardness cover, aiming to offer both strength and visual appeal. In typical WSQN products, they claim a nano-waterproof adhesive layer with strong adsorption so that it doesn't peel off easily, and AR anti-reflection film or coatings to reduce glare or haloing, especially when using the camera flash. The build quality in WSQEN's lens protectors is generally solid. The metal frame feels rigid, the glass is cut precisely, edges are chamfered, and the finish matches the phone's aesthetic. In real-life use, the protector generally performs well. When correctly aligned, it doesn't seem to interfere noticeably with photo quality under most lighting, and flash photography reportedly remains acceptable with minimal ghosting if the adhesive and AR layers are good. However, in very demanding or low-light scenarios, slight degradation or flare/ghosting might appear depending on angle or minor diffraction at edges, which is common to many lens protectors. Installation can be somewhat delicate. Precise alignment is necessary to avoid cover creep over the sensor edges, and the adhesive must be set firmly. Also, because it's an added layer over the camera lenses, there is always a small risk of slight vignetting or optical artifacts, especially at very wide angles or when using additional lens attachments. In comparison with rival brands, e.g. Spigen lens covers, Pitaka camera protectors, which tends to offer more decorative finishes like titanium colors, and strong marketing around military-grade /10,000+ scratch tests, but rivals might have more established optical track records or slimmer profiles. In terms of value, if you often carry your phone where lens damage is a realistic concern, pocket with keys, rough surfaces, etc., the protection and visual style may justify the price. If you rarely expose the camera to risk, a minimalist clear protector might suffice. Overall, for users who want to safeguard their iPhone's camera cluster with a stylish, durable metal plus glass shield and are willing to accept the small risk of optical trade-offs, the WSKEN Orange Titanium Camera Lens Protector is a compelling option. I'd recommend it, particularly for those who frequently use the phone outdoors or carry it in harsher environments. For users prioritizing pure optical fidelity, especially in low light or pro photography, choosing a proven glass protector with minimal optical interference might be wiser. Pros: metal frame plus tempered glass build gives sturdiness and premium feel. Strong adhesive/absorption helps keep it firmly in place. Decorative orange titanium finish adds aesthetic appeal. AR/anti-reflection coatings intended to minimize glare and flash artifacts. Full coverage designed for the camera module area. Cons: slight risk of optical artifacts, flare, vignetting in extreme shooting conditions. Installation requires precise alignment. Mistakes may be hard to correct. Adds some extra thickness over the camera array. In very low light or wide-angle modes, image quality may degrade marginally. For those rarely risking camera damage, the trade-off may not justify cost.